Hello and welcome to Discount Radar United Kingdom. In this video, I've highlighted and narrated the newest weekly deals from the official brochures of supermarkets across the UK, focusing especially on the Middle Aisles. This way, you'll be the first to know about all the special discounts, save time, and never miss out on amazing offers. Don't have time to go through the entire brochure? No problem, I'm here for you. Each week, Discount Radar United Kingdom brings you the hottest discounts, must-have bargains, and exclusive promotions. Subscribe now to save more and shop smarter. Let's get started. Auto XS Jump Starter Powerbank. Asterisk powerful 6000 mAh capacity. Asterisk capable of jump-starting the majority of vehicles with both petrol and diesel engines up to 2.0 L. Asterisk alarm will sound if the clamps are incorrectly connected to the battery. Asterisk doubles as portable powerbank and charges your devices on the go. £29.99. WORKZONE hook and scraper set. £6.99. Auto XS Dent repair kit. Straighten out bodywork on flat panels like doors, the front bonnet and roof. Suitable for all vehicles. Mains operated glue gun. £6.99. REDEX Twinpack petrol diesel system cleaner. £4.99. CARLUBE AdBlue 10 litre. £11.99. Auto XS car organizer assortment. £7.99. TRU-Tension Tyre Puncture Sealant can £2.99. Auto XS universal car carpet mats. £4.99. Auto XS anti-theft car key pouch Twinpack. Block wireless signals emitted from your car keys. Protects car keys and contactless cards. £3.99. Kirkton House single bed set. £11.99. Kirkton House collapsible stool. £9.99. Kids BY Kirkton House kids rug. £9.99. Kirkton House children's clock. £4.49. Kids BY Kirkton House kids cushion. £4.99. Kids BY Kirkton House kids throw. £3.99. Slumberdown anti-allergy single duvet. £9.99. Slumberdown anti-allergy toddler pillow. £3.49. Paper Heart Valentine's Day selection. From 99p to £1.99. Crofton Valentine's baking molds. £2.49. Little Town Valentine's soft toy. £3.99. Crane American football size 7. £7.99. We've reached the end of this week's featured and narrated official supermarket brochure list for the Middle Aisle deals. If you want to be the first to know about discounts, grab high-quality products at affordable prices before they sell out, and make great savings, don't forget to subscribe to @DiscountRadar and turn on notifications. Feel free to share your suggestions in the comments, I'd be delighted to hear from you. With Discount Radar United Kingdom, save more and shop smart.